Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile name. First, open facebook.com and sign into your account. Click the small triangle, or your profile picture, in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. On the left side, click the option See More in Account Center. Here, under Profiles, click your account. Now click on the Name option to edit. Type your new first and last name in the fields, and you can add a middle name if you want. Change your name carefully because once you do, you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. Once your name is updated, click Review Change. Choose how your name will display from the options, then click Done. Now close this window. And that's it. We've successfully changed the Facebook profile name. Let's reload the Facebook page from the start, and as you can see, the profile name has been successfully updated. If this helped, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.